Hey everyone, it's Annie here, and with me and my little neighbor here doing a little dress up. So let's put this on for you. What do you think? Now smile. Chee! So yeah, there's my little neighbor, and once again it's Addison here. And say hi. Okay. Do you want to say anything?
Yes.
What do you want to say? Annie. Say Annie. That's all you want to say? Okay. Anyway, you guys, I got to show you guys something. She'll be joining us today. Okay, so anyway, okay, let's see what she does if I were to give her a squishy really Kumadango. So there it is right there. So here, Addison.
Is this for eating?
Huh?
Is this for eating?
It's not for eating. Smell it. You want to smell? Smell good? Smell it?
Good.
Yeah, it smells good, huh? Want to eat it? No, you're not going to eat it. Okay, so, do you like it? Yeah, so she likes squishies, so, yeah, let's show her another one. So, okay, let me find one. Okay, here's the rare Hello Kitty in a rose costume. Squish.
Can I take it out?
No, you cannot take it off. Oh, she knows there's a stretchy cell phone strap. Interesting. You go, wow. Good job. You like it? Yeah, she likes it too. But I'm pretty sure she's going to say yes right away. So yeah, that's all, you guys. A little squishy review with my little neighbor. So let's go take her off and see what she looks like.
Hey!
Hi. Okay. Bye, guys.